Hi there, welcome back to the channel. So, I've been buying stuff off Amazon again, so stick around and see what I got. So guys, let's take a look at what I bought. So there you go folks, I've treated myself to the Rode Wireless Go. So let's take a look and see what I've got. But, as you know, I don't do unboxings on this channel, so we won't be needing this. So the first thing I'm going to take a look at is the transmitter. So this is the transmitter, guys. So looking down on the top, or the edge if you like, guys. In the middle there's the omnidirectional microphone. And then on the right hand side of that there is a 3.5mm socket. So you can plug in a little lavalier microphone, or I suppose any microphone into that for that matter. And then on this side we have just two little LED lights, one for charge and one for if it's paired with the other part of the kit. So just turning it around, guys. So here we have the USB type C. So that's for charging, and you can also power it from that if the internal battery's gone flat. And on the bottom, or the opposite side to the microphone, we have the on and off switch. We just roll it over, so on the back, very well you can actually see that, but on the back there is the clamp, so you can clip that to clothing or anything, I suppose, guys. So that's the clamp. So there you go, guys, that is the transmitter. So we'll take a look at the receiver next. So folks, we're now looking at the receiver. So as you can see, it's pretty much identical to the transmitter, apart from the little LCD screen on the front. Now on this one we have the on and off switch there. It's on the top or the bottom, depending on which way you're looking at it. And on the opposite side to that, again we have this button there for pairing. And this one here is for the dB gain on the microphone, just 3 steps. But other than that, guys, is pretty much identical to the other one. Now again, the USB type C for charging and for powering, you can power it off of that. And this time this socket here is for plugging into your camera. So that is the set, or the microphone and the transmitter receiver. So folks, the next thing that comes in the box are these two USB type C cables. So you'll be using these for charging and powering up the microphone. So guys, the next items we get in the box are these two, which are two little furry windshields. So they are supposed to just clip over the microphone, but don't know how well they're going to work, guys, but that's the next two items. So the next item in the box is this. So this is a TRS to TRS cable. So this just connects the camera to the microphone. It's pretty standard TRS cable, guys. So that one's got the Rode logo on it. So that's the next thing. So this is the next item that come in the box. So this is a nice little pouch. Hopefully it'll all go in there and be able to protect the microphone. Yeah, looks very well made, nice and soft. So hopefully that will afford it some protection. So this is the last item that came in the box. So we have a quick start guide and some safety information. So guys, let's do a little comparison test. So at the moment I'm using my Rode Wireless Filmmaker kit. So what we do is we'll test the audio from that with the audio from the Rode Wireless Go. So let me just show you a picture of the audio settings in the camera. Right guys, are you ready for this? Mary had a little lamb. She also had a bear. I've often seen her lamb, but never seen her bear. So that was the audio from the Rode Wireless Filmmaker kit. So guys, we're now hearing the audio from the Rode Wireless Go. So I have the gain setting at its minimum. The gain is set at its minimum, and just looking at the meters there on my tablet, it's yeah, we haven't got a very loud audio, so I can imagine you probably can't hear me that well. But anyway guys, we will carry on. So are you ready for this one? Mary had a little lamb. She also had a bear. I've often seen a lamb, but you've guessed it, I've never seen a bear. So that was the audio from the Rode Wireless Go with the gain set at its lowest. So guys, we're now on the second test. So the gain is now set at about halfway. So just looking down at the meters, yes, it's definitely a lot hotter, the audio coming in, but still don't know whether it's actually loud enough, guys. But here we go. Are you ready for this one? Mary had a little lamb. She also had a bear. And I've often seen a lamb, but I've never seen a bear. So that was the audio gain setting at half. So next test to follow. So guys, this is the third and final test. So we've now got the gain out of the Rode Wireless Go set at maximum, and just looking down at the meters, I think it could well be clipping. It's certainly getting close to clipping if it's not clipping, guys. But anyway, we shall soldier on. Are you ready for this one? Mary had a little lamb. She also had a bear. I've often seen a lamb, but I've never seen a bear. So that was the third test with the audio gain set at maximum. And I think it's a bit hot. So guys, that was a quick look at my Rode Wireless Go and a simple audio test against the Rode Filmmaker kit. So we've actually put the settings back to medium or middle gain, I suppose, if that's what we can call it. But yeah, it's set in the middle. It could be still clipping. I can't really tell on the meter on my tablet, but it could still be clipping. But I'm not going to really know until I get this put onto the computer and I can have a proper listen. But I think it'll probably be on a par with the Rode Filmmaker kit. But anyway, guys, in case you're wondering why I bought this when I have the Rode Filmmaker kit, well, I bought this really to go along with my GoPro Hero 8 and its media mod to use for vlogging. I'm not going to use it for talking head videos like this unless I'm just going to make a quick talking head type video. But the Filmmaker kit will be my go-to audio setup for that. But for quick sort of talking head, yes, I probably would use it. But this is predominantly going to be for vlogging on my GoPro Hero 8 with its dreaded media mod. So that's a little future test. But for now, I think we'll leave it at that, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye bye for now.